Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. Today we are going to be looking at how can we actually insert our logo. This is our logo there. We can remove it by clicking here to delete. We can add it to duplicate. We can lock it. If you want to lock it, we can make a comment. So when we want to delete, we can delete it easily. Now, if you want to add or change your template, simply come to design. Okay, you can choose anyone that you want to choose, and then you will change it easily. So we want to keep it the way we want to keep it. Then elements, maybe you want to add something. Okay, you want to add maybe some WhatsApp icons. You want to add maybe some other information, a rectangle. You can add that under the elements. Okay, you want to add some shapes. You want to add some other beautiful things. You can add that under element. We're going to be seeing that also as we are working with other flyers. Okay, so if you want to add a rectangle or a shape, you can do that like this. Just click on the shape and it's going to come. Maybe you want to put it here. I will put it something like this. Okay. Then I'll give it a color of let me give something like this. So something like this. Okay. Wow. So I think it's okay. Me. I'll take it again backward. And it's beautiful. So let's keep it that way. Now, if you want to put text, you can add the text. Okay, click on T text here. Then you can add the text box. You can add the heading. Okay, you can add the heading. Click there. You say this is my flyer. So you can do that, and then if you want to move it up, just click there. Come on this icon here and move it to any position I want to take it. Then come to color, you change the color, you put it to white again. I'll select everything and I'll come there and put it to white. Okay, so you see it is coming white. So let's move that one for now. We don't need it. So you can add subtitle or subheading depending on you, and you can. These are all pro. Okay, I'm talking mostly with the free information that we're going to be using. Okay, so if you want to upload our logo, just simply go to this upload section and then you click on there. You can go to upload picture, you take it there, and inside there you can upload our logo. Let's assume that this one is our logo. We click on upload it there, and once that's been uploaded, we click there and it's going to come on our flyer. We are now going to reduce the size that we want to reduce. Okay, make it this way and then we'll put it somewhere here. Okay, so as you're putting instead of those lines, they're trying to help you to align some of this information with what you want. Okay, so if you want, we can move this one now since the logo is there, and we'll just keep it NgahTech Group. You have clean services, and we'll put say goodbye to death and all this stuff. Okay, so as I mentioned before, you can put this information. Just change the information here. Put my information to 3765443185. Okay, we can now expand the length to be like this, and we can change our website to put NgahTech.com. Okay, so that is how we can easily create a beautiful flyer with our information on it. Let's kind of change this a bit and then change the background color to something of this sort. Okay, and we change this color from here. We put it let me put something a bit amazing. Let's take this one. Okay, and this one, and we'll change this one to something pop. I think it can go. Or just keep it with that same color. Okay, so we'll put it 45 to a different color to make it look more attractive. Okay, and this one too, same. And let's put the background color there to be same with that of the logo. So we put this one, I think this one is okay. Let's put this one, no, this one. Okay, beautiful. So you see it's more appealing. Okay, let's take this one and then we'll put it to be, let's put this color, and we're going to make it a transparent, make the transparency to be a bit down, then okay, something like this is okay. So that is how you can definitely have to put or change the information. You can change this color